and the listeners that noble quality of haya that would lead us to your pleasure. My dear brothers, al-haya is a state when one thinks of the immense bounties of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on one hand and his own shortcomings on the other. The result is a state called haya that tries to keep one away from abhorrent or indecent acts and pushes one to fulfill the rights of others. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ told us that haya is a part of iman, a part of our faith. And the Sahaba had observed that Prophet ﷺ was shyer than a virgin in her seclusion. And that tells us that shyness or al-haya is a part of sound nature. It is the beauty of character for a man and even more so for a woman. A young lady naturally feels shy, and that is the part of beauty of the believing women. Observe how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala described the gate of one of two women whom Musa alayhi salam helped get water from a well. فَجَاءَ قَالَتْ إِنَّ أَبِي يَدْعُوكَ لِيَجْزِيَكَ أَجْرَ مَا سَقَيْتَ لَنَا. Then one of the two women came to him walking bashfully. That means that she came walking shyly. Earlier in the same story, these women had described how they did not mingle with a crowd of shepherds while trying to get water for their flock. Why? What prevented them? My brothers, it was al-haya. And in fact, we learn from the tafsir of وَأَبُونَا شَيْخٌ كَبِيرٌ that had their father been strong enough to get water, they would not have come out in the first place. That, my brothers, is al-haya. So why should we follow the West, which wants to unnecessarily force our women to come out of the safety of their homes and expose their beauty as saleswomen and ear hostesses to the men who couldn't care less for them, who want to use them to fulfill their own lowly desires? These wolves of men could be someone befriended on Valentine's Day or colleagues and seniors at work. A journalist once asked an American woman soldier in Iraq that if the reason she carried a knife was to protect herself against Iraqis. So this woman soldier replied that her knife wasn't for Iraqis because she had her M16 rifle for them. Then why did she carry a knife with her? She explained that it was to protect herself from her fellow male comrades at night. American men who had already assaulted many of their own countrywomen during the war. Through the internet and the mainstream media, some people want to bring the same ugliness in our society. And we are determined to stand in their way with knowledge, with wisdom, with courage. And that's standing up for right, speaking out for what is just, and being courageous does not contradict al-haya, since the Prophet ﷺ had said, al-haya'u la ya'ti illa bi khayr. Haya leads to nothing but good. In conclusion, let's all remember, as our Prophet ﷺ advised Sa'id bin Yazid radiyallahu ta'ala anhu to feel shy in front of Allah Almighty as one feels shy in front of the righteous man. أوصيك أن تستحي من الله عز وجل كما تستحي من الرجل الصالح. Let's all pray to Allah for guidance, taqwa, chastity and contentment. اللهم إنا نسألك الهدى والتقى والعفاف والغنى. آمين والسلام.